Stop right there. Hey, Glyn here. I'm not going to waste your time. In just a few minutes, I'm about to hand you the same automated profit bots which made me over $2,000 every single day. In fact, these are the same bots that have been working on autopilot to make me over $1 million in online commissions in the past 12 months without any hard work, hassle, or BS. These profit bots work in the background without the need to create products or websites, without creating YouTube videos or getting on camera, without running an Amazon business, without trading crypto or anything else which you may have tried in the past. We don't have any expenses or overheads to run the bots, and even better, no experience or technical skills are required to get into profit with the 10x Profit Bot system. It may seem too good to be true, but the money you see on the screen is real. That's $1,000 we made in minutes using the same bots you're about to get access to. This system and the automated bots are a complete game changer, and what they do is so simple yet so powerful to automate commissions with our affiliate links, so we get paid hundreds of dollars every single day. And it's not just me having incredible success with the 10x Profit Bot system. I'm now proud to say I've got a network of members across the globe, all getting great results just like myself, which means that I know you'll also be able to do this too. But before you get your hands on the system, I want to take you back to 2018 when I discovered these highly profitable automated bots. It was the summer and I was really struggling. My business had barely made a dime all year and I needed a break from my life and the dreary London weather, so I decided to head off to Bangkok, Thailand for a change of scene. It was relaxing, but something miraculous happened. I had booked a 2-hour boat on the Chao Phraya River that flows through the city. As I sat down, someone called my name. I'm not authorized to reveal his name, but this guy is one of the industry's top marketers and my original mentor. Between exotic cocktails and Thai temples drifting by, he revealed a secret system that was making him millions. He had found a secret loophole where AI bots could accelerate the affiliate commissions of hundreds of products he was promoting. These are the same bots that 9-figure companies use to generate massive profits, and later that evening, he showed me his computer. During the time we were having drinks during the river cruise, the AI bots he set up earlier in the day had generated over $6,000 in commissions. The system and these bots had already paid for his entire trip and airfare. I knew immediately that if I could clone the same bots, I was going to become extremely wealthy very, very fast. Luckily for me, my mentor gave me a copy of the bots and this secret system, and ever since that day, I've been making a constant $2,000 every single day online. Now, unfortunately, most people have no idea what these bots are or how to use them to make money online, and that's why I decided to create the 10x